The journey. A drew Friday say and then nije abafri say, ye baba to chin common, and the cobi beka se wine and a Abena deneba, and then me papa and a airbrum. And I mean, say a tonosoa, obibia, and him opinion, medeniba, all the way from Belgium. Nan son and mammy fasted a PSC and my boy for Masomasin and I watch you be a bitum de jumadi ebro, and you give us clean care, or so basis ye fear not if ye and ye come. The time here by Mr. or say malaria day, where you are the time, one no time, Nibia. Bibia ebepo amana ye kama me dima for Herba Center. Dr. Time does say yare ben anyhow. Mr. Sel apomudin atochima Mr. Oko Dr. Time does so me dima for hoa or so be show ama bibia aye kama. Empenye fue with a Doom TV and Kunama Entertainment with Nox TV Africa and you did the Jenny TV show all the way from Belgium, Ebro. Me dame hon akoji abro phone krato me ba ye beto aso enko bibia. Journey the journey. Jane Krato about August I heard the Jenny TV show at Doom TV and then the minimum me papa and the barbecue train come ya this year or your henny to say yeah papa ye baby Emmanuel Asare na boy ya Black Star so that's you are hono ya papa barbecue train come na or the afa na bro akontunum said ye free Ghana eba bruchi has a papa akwaba and then they about ukrum they about Belgium and that's so waji en feso Nene ye be rawa brabo akwantu no said the start ye ai baby a dream it's about Emmanuel Asare ko e hwan
yo medawasi na match ya watifu na hwefo the kai Emmanuel Asare Abena TV ya won ko mam ye me ma me papa nyina Africa ko me
okay
koko na me ya won ya won na me nam born tino ya boy no Asare do na nyime sana ama afanse o kan Emmanuel Asare nipa do na betima who is Emmanuel Asare.
Okay, it's Emmanuel Asare eye opanyi bi a was starting a kwantu na as a footballer and then nam wa e ba ha say na ye den na was start ye obi a ni mu wagidin ye hwe ya na wa ba Europe e de na si ye
me ya bofra na fan say me si say me bobra na me ko school na mani so ade ho nyanse me bobo wow man ti me anya and so do you gas be me fit anya na me poma ade na say me bibi but na bo na pese me bo so lucky for me my parents support me because as a last born of a family of 9
okay of 9
papa and my 9 kids and I'm the last and boy
I don't want to be ma
me man yetre
no say anything with the
no because of in me mama and papa man so me kwana me this kind of color that was me mama and papa mama
free him beto
I don't know I didn't miss mama and papa one day and you know I remember yeah special for my parents and now I'm just me so pa and if you say me say juma be na person we school me ya na mantimi anya juma bi anka na bo na person and nyame adom bo took me very far to this far.
Wow. What are some of the challenges as a footballer of Fermo when you started getting to your peak near dinner? How was it?
Nyame Fermo as a footballer from beginning say mama papa omoni bi sa enti anya my bobo ma utimi a big star very quick in my nya sa so bobo pushing out but sometimes so that football boot you know and said anya common sa and Nike nya dey abu nya wo bobo we fan akule ye wo kaya se on bobo we bobo na and said anya na bi kura hu bo wi ase bi but my parents were omo ho se de bi on beboa nya me hia bi o de mama nti me prayer to become a
that's at that time no talent and na social media it me promote footballer bi man ko no time no dey na won nine no na be kasa ma
yeah so good go bandage you start with bandage how to chiro na you start with a man ball and now we now rubber ball so called ball so as sasa a rubber ya this chira dey na dey watch chira na da ho abubum announce your co-room, you do your friend of mine. Upo maya na suena woman how the my ball.
Wow.
No the boy the necessity form na football with in vision. Answer by you can say to me who say we share kayas no ne akule boots in the answer. TV sat as a corner Adidas no money ade ba because Adidas na ho but then you say or your for BBC ubenya yeah.
Oh wow, that's a modern a very difficult now. So say the Aja football or money sponsors near the BDJC but no BD but even the money involved. The time you started, how was it as a footballer?
It was difficult because I was not having any sponsorship. Yeah, me no be our boy me. Me my son of the kaka, my papa work class and what for be any abrochira or Bremen JC over and see there like me paint you know me munya just say your mommy sika class me fan koto e bi adwane ni ya me bobo anu agosi menya
wow
me koto my friend say sa roba yi me pepe ma pe ho ahoma chichire bia me ko school pon a me ba fie na me bia me pabo aya toma me na yira because I don't know this po
idea na mo di bo le from
bia wa ko pa so no no football no nya idea fancy po was we din pabo wa ko so o bia na o di ka ko fi o pabo aya wa ta idea yira you know this kind of thing it was difficult but because now me pesa me yenti no me ko manim apim so like to become a professional footballer. That's me a professional. Just I wanted to play football.
Like the love of it. No?
I didn't know what's professional. I didn't know what's professional. Then I mean the professional because I mean you be our cancer football and na kwa brochire. Na Saturday ni abedi pele and it on your boy no man but as you say a camera on fast on kwa brochire. Na you say but be person me bobo and that was the vision.
Okay. It's all pens now you can say mates nkofa na oni omo si so amobobo ye hifo.
I can only mention bit about ball one on ball like I said current to bit my home the tama me bama nu kakra
okay
because some no sha see no de giant we nya playing mate bi say sika kono Opela Boaje Kokumanu was my senior player me to ko United me buy na on field but me to ajima dia me to Alaji Bello to Alexandre or Damian Poma, all the senior players. That was when I betting we do a film so we do for United.
Okay.
But one moment I started from course near the end there.
United to die.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Now Oko United if you were here for you now Sanko boy.
I'm free United and I'm United 10 years.
Oh wow.
Yes. Yes, because I was in second division here, Coal Mountains on Coco. The Coal Mountains never frame it under 16 with the starlets. First under 16 and then under 17.
Under 17, okay. Moment pains they under 16.
Yeah, they call work out first. 1989.
1989.
Yes. Oh, that's why you know.
Hey, 89. Yes. I don't know first World Cup. Moving here.
No, it's a first experience in a prelims and year film, but it was a first experience.
Oh, okay.
Or that elamte ya precon, Lesopoku, Khalid Dramani, Hope Sawonu, Kofimbia.
Wow.
Butumijima.
Hey, squad in Nina. It's no money now.
I do know.
Wow, then it was really tough, and this and football. Now, so say, free United, Kobo under 16, then under 16, now under 17. If free what DMB only see.
Free United, like I said, I'm about 10 years into my end career time, and I'm not United by Europe. And I'm not buy because as a Koniba, I'm a some United for that years. Now. Tournament na about Europe na it was under 16 na me some age aboso but they saw some who say my boy United na check so so much yeah and the idea was not to almost me ba be jam ha but almost me ba
support
yeah and see sa kon from na some them by and they na say me benya advantage and menya chance stay ha go back.
Okay, it's that time now Uba in India there was nothing like football again. Uba in Ujaye because now we age.
Me boy.
But your boy here.
Me buy no me kasa me buy na coin to buy by Holland.
Okay.
I be share with Rotterdam. And to Rotterdam yes I call Belgium, Germany.
Okay.
And the bride ever Ghana back, and I decided to stay. Men ko Ghana bio. And the men ko Ghana bio na I said at some 12 rabon so. And there was this Ghana community be on Bobo Holland. And no more match and I'm Kobobi. And TV Bobby no and Bruni be home so about a idea. So people started introducing me to them. Oh, we knew Emmanuel Asare say. Oh, okay. Also, we're a good parent, repeating my one of Belgium.
Oh.
So from Holland, they brought me here in Belgium. I was second division Gale. It is a city from here, about 4 years.
Wow.
And I'm doing quiet. And we were born for 2 seasons.
Oh, okay.
And I had to go to Austria, I have to go to China, I had to go to Poland.
Oh.
When the opportunity to travel a lot to play at the clubs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. As a football for Nyamukasa, and sorry about football bro for now.
I was okay. And the young school year.
No, I say, is it flag because they be like a way be football like Cambro for almost at the Ukrainian can be. Most of the Siana. I know who's your papa.
Maybe, yeah.
Because Otzi Brofos and Cronka. That wouldn't they make us and
yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I am more for
but young football do your school going yet.
Papa, and the school no, and you know. Brofona Mokana. As a mushada will way be. You see, I can be like what a show be. Flags in
Kahuna ma we star. Yeah.
Okay.
Also with me.
BB.
Oh, shut up, but Tibiana is part of it. Maybe ma
Naba. I think that's the word because Obia and me can the same thing. That's a money number for your back. After China ni bibia then who decided say onye ombobo baby and ye and I said dentia
maybe pray engineer mom stop it yeah engineer stop it na no man need here but now was playing yeah come to okay and team we pray and team pray na do me imagine okay me ban so start my over on sumobo
e wa say
yes. And to ask me man a chance because also didn't go training also you say as a father also go football now by kwa so here
so if you have cross and a bubble what if no we when near ma start when near ma wa say
by the mobile cram also
yet he say football academy o dey boa mofra enye obi ana odru baby na say the love and passion of woman baby so jai ko yes or support obi ama na be yes or no e dey na inspire you to come out with that
na inspire me say me hwe me ho obi ana me fi na me nyobia emfansa because na papa na me some dika no money and I adom bi and I didn't copy where me wo and I mean say akwala bi so akura bi ase a ono so ohia sa adom ne bi a obi betwe na pie so I decided say kitu bi amenya bia no make up talent bi na anam so nyame nam so amon so nya bia pie so me a shame crying a shame den semenye no so I try to always invest a little that I have in this kind of academy so we are collab with dachi obeti ma bi na naka say me bo Asare soccer academy and I'm so anya baby I don't want will be my blessing that's what I'm looking at Ghana no so yeah dey na wanka sa woni
wa scout from Ghana and do
yes Ghana wa woni wa you know
seriousness
you sure no as no so any way of getting money things that you don't ask and no bisa ska won you player but say so bia ko jisika we you know so sometimes so one kasa wo ya dey so woni ko hu da bia o monitor if things are going well no it's easy but I'm trying to do my o hwe yen time na ne ya no yeah na your boy nyeska
is the passion
yeah so what should national colors ka ken kra no ayo fe
ani ase ehwa ka de na ya achede bebere as a man budget mo society timudebi
I don't for so nyanwa
is the max
I
don't twaso eno ane nwa oda obenya nwa bi akoso nkwa Tenya mo na mo pe na ye mfaso a
on say ka ho man nso ni football no a
enye de
ma wo ho keka na wo fom on say e ko school kra obeka ya na your ponyum be found when you not to form. The best you just am no show crying until no man who walk pack and so on answer. Oh, boy,
aside the football, no. Oh, Abuchi, how is the living like? I was saying,
yeah. Make us say as compared to one Name Bobo.
Yes.
And then they are memo boy.
Yes.
Name Bobo, no. Sika bano nemo
yeah,
because many juma bia so na pako training
no no juma
timbe prayer na was me sorry kwa juma no then I also say ahomachi bia 4 o'clock also sorry
no kwa juma
prepare wajian ni aja de tuka kwa juma ko jina musa ya juma ntino wo so no so no na sika de be ma as a worker and
now checking ka football ya ko training by a baby
okay wow and you know who ko anyim so na who kai do also because also make other life starting yeah nyama bebre obenya family oma also make sure so give your kids a good life and tema wo nkasa no expenses no very high and it makes it a bit difficult.
Wow. I see, my expenses not very high. I don't for a higher than I'll see in try your home kwaji abwa for encourage ba your best to uncle money so enco baby. Journey the journey. Ya kwa kwaji encourage aba oguswa ehwede Jenny wo Adum TV and me guest no Emmanuel Asare or your former Black Star player and a young Belgium yani no etwetwe nkomo papa before I connect yebuso I bisa ha say the way ababonity when it compares to footballer obi wo ha o fear o hweye opese ombobo football when any so opese ombo e dia na obeka kire no
the football na a talent before so be hu say I was so pim ko anim ebobo no also hu say was a talent you know. Okay. Because baby I imagine say you omumpe adwuma bi enye as a young guy na be say because of so bobo but look at yourself sir who was a talent now and say football no ko also school education is very important because yamubi any other senior players no school no yanko anko actually because I remember I said my first season no my contract I sign no you better one I sign
one ready you say affecting most of you
yeah very serious trust me I affecting me because do baby me pray you know and I'm who say my guy said my mistake because brother pray now was say team no mom a lot of money they paid insurance into year but in my contract and now say if such happens they have to pay to the club.
Oh, but was when because when I wo me sign somebody my club no
and Tibra me ba sa me contact lawyer you follow up no not the insurance has paid the money but then contract no say it has to pay to the club
and then they see and they pay that say obaye and afi sume san da wase say wo met kwa say ubua school na udwa no kofi ni de ubua it say say me yi uba ko I didn't sham prior so papa did I yes
I'm very proud of you. You made me very proud because I remember I said then in that situation I have to come in to help solve the school and I'm very proud. I
know I can make coffee sir. Come free King's College every Friday me coffee na my Sunday. Echi me question price 2 years na me coffee.
Made me very proud.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, that's so bad. So we have this flower for you to tell you that we love you so much. And then we are okay then.
Who we part of my Cabra national anthem. See, this is Ghana.
This is Ghana.
And when you see this, you should be proud of.
You should be proud of baby I will free. And the journey for thank you so much for being part of it. Thank you so much for being on the show. And thank you for being a legend for the Ghana football. No? We appreciate it, all of us. We appreciate you so much. And never see there very many actually will show you so many so when in papa and no win no hurry and then they my coin I made the number the Jenny TV shows all the way from Belgium and Europe edition now and a Yagusuno this season there you Belgium ya ni Ghana this year my bibi e dia boa o mine na so mo ha o mo hye Ghana animunyam etwetwe nkomo ewotuma die so I said appear see enkomo aboafo amaso masin all the way to Belgium Belgium. So member for the Jenny TV show and from Ghana any adofoni we are singing na almost enhudia ya dishie ye wo hai ye edeboa omano asada bio enkoma Adom TV some sina na watch bi am bidwumade ebro kuna my entertainment afi Nox TV Africa omo nenam so yetimi di mfonyin ebro baby bia away asemba kuna da bia me catch up sinyame wo ma ebeye ye mi din e de Abena Ghana abunofo akudie broken the she macro.
The journey